Valet Service.
Good morning, Castro.
Good morning, Ma'am Caparida. I believe you're checking out today.
Yes, I have another conference in Japan tomorrow.
Would you like me to prepare your bills, ma'am?
Yes, please.
What mode of payment are you going to use? Cash or card, ma'am?
I will pay it with my American Visa card.
Okay, ma'am, for a moment. Hello, this is Butler Lorraine. Miss Caparida at room 2010 is checking out today. Will you prepare her bills for me, please? She is paying it with her American Visa.
For a moment, give me 20 minutes to prepare her bills.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, your bills is on process. Would you like me to pack your things now?
Yes, Castro, the vault is open. You can get my geo reader, but you leave my Rolex watch that I will use in the dresser.
Okay, ma'am, for a moment. Here is your bill, ma'am. Kindly check and sign if it is correct.
Okay, here is my card.
Please sign here again, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, your account is settled. Your things are all ready, ma'am. Is there anyone to fetch you, or would you like me to call a cab for you?
Yes, there is someone to fetch me for the airport. Can you check it for me if it is there?
Yes, ma'am, for a moment. Hello, sir. This is Butler Lorraine. Can you check Miss Caparida from room 2010 if her car is already there?
Yes, her car is already in the waiting area.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, your car is waiting for you. Let me carry your luggage in the lobby.
Thank you, Castro.
Thank you for staying with us, ma'am. Hope to see you again in our next visit. Have a safe trip and God bless.
Thank you, Castro. You have are my great butler.
It is my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you.